What is the best description of the contents of the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph asks the question why mammals practice monogamy when it is not natural. The second paragraph describes a theory that suggests that monogamy is practiced for offerings to survive and for males to continue lineage. The third paragraph talks about another study that says that monogamy is a consequence of resources and supply. And the fourth paragraph talks about the monogamy in humans. So it can be inferred that overall the passage talks about why monogamy exists in mammals and presents different theories around the same. We need an answer choice on similar lines. So let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A chronology of the development of different theories about the evolution of monogamy in humans. The passage talks about different theories but does not discuss the chronology or the timeline of these theories. Also, the discussion of human monogamy is limited to the fourth paragraph and is not an aspect covered throughout the passage. So this answer choice is not the best description of the passage. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, an effort to explore the origins of monogamy and the reasons why humans adopted the practice. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map because the passage talks about why mammals practice monogamy, offers two theories to answer this question, and also discusses the origin of monogamy in humans. So it is correct to state that the passage as a whole is an effort to explore the origins of monogamy and reasons why humans adopted the practice. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, an argument concerning whether monogamy is natural and desirable. It is the first paragraph that has a reference to monogamy not being natural, and the fourth paragraph discusses the question of whether monogamy is desirable in the context of the human monogamy. So it can be inferred that these aspects of whether monogamy is natural and desirable are mentioned in the passage but are limited in scope. So this answer choice does not offer the best description of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, an attempt to determine which theory best explains monogamy in mammals. The second paragraph has a reference to a particular study, and the third paragraph mentions another study on the topic of the monogamous behavior in mammals. However, the passage doesn't compare the two studies and does not suggest which theory is correct. So it is incorrect to state that the passage is an attempt to determine which theory best explains monogamy. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, a discussion on how monogamy in human differs from that in other mammals. The fourth paragraph discusses human monogamy, but the passage doesn't compare human monogamy and that in other mammals. So it is incorrect to state that the passage discusses how monogamy in human differs from that in other mammals. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.